everyone, welcome back to Hacks with Christina. Today I'm going to show you why you should wrap a lemon around your faucet. Mineral deposits tend to build up around the faucet opening, slowing the flow of water. But if you use a lemon, the acid from the lemon will break down the deposits. All you need to do is take half of a lemon and secure it on the faucet with a rubber band, hair tie, or whatever else you have on hand. I also had to use a clothespin. Leave the lemon on the faucet for a few hours, preferably overnight, and once you remove the lemon, your water will flow out smoothly. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Please comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!